Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can find duplicates in Google Sheets. So first thing first you need to do, you need to select the data, so columns or range of cells where you want to find duplicates. So I will select the whole table right here. Now go to Format and Conditional Formatting. Uh, so conditional formatting, and right now on the right side it will open up the draw menu. So now we go here to format rules, and right here I will go to custom formula, and now we will type in the value of formula right here, like so. Count fit count if. So I'll go like that, and then a1 is more than 1, like so. So you can replace this AA here with your values, and also this A2 with other values, but I go with that. Then formatting style, here you can choose the color if you want, like so, and then click done, and now you see here your duplicates right over here. So this is how you can find duplicates in your Google Sheets. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.